Thanks so much, Dolores, for that introduction. I'm going to turn it over now to Sura Hart at grassroots.org, who's going to walk us through some of the free tools that Grassroots is offering to neighborhood network centers. Sura?
Yep. Okay. So today we're just going to talk about getting neighborhood network centers online fast and free. So you should be able to see my screen right now, and I'm at this sample website I created with one of our free tools. And I'm just going to walk you through the kind of getting online process. So I created this website using our web builder, but the first step that you need to do in creating a website is you need to purchase a domain name. Domain names run about, $7 to $11 a year. So they're pretty cheap. The Grassroots offers you one free domain name for 1 year through moniker.com. So as you can see on this welcome message, I've gone over, kind of getting a domain name. And an example of a domain name is, www.grassroots.org. For neighborhood networks, it might be your city, nn.org, or any other thing that you can think of that is a unique identifier to you. So we offer that free for the first year. So again, if you go through grassroots.org, you can get online without spending any money. And then that gives you, an online following, and then maybe later on you'll want to invest more, have a professional web team, or maybe you'll just continue using our free services. So the next step in getting online is web hosting and web design. If you use DoodleKit, which is what I've used to create this website, you don't need hosting. DoodleKit is your host. And DoodleKit is really cool. It comes with, hosting, the website, all the templates, stock images, built-in blog, photo gallery. You can have up to 30 pages and up to 1,000 uploaded images. You don't need to know any HTML. It's really easy to use. So it definitely gets you online right away. You could go to grassroots.org today, sign up for it, and you'd have a website literally today. So that's really cool. We also offer another hosting option that's a little bit more professional, a little bit more space, so to speak. DoodleKit, it's just in like pages and images. So 30 pages, 1,000 images, pretty good. Our other one has 200 megabytes of space and 2 gigabytes of bandwidth per month. It's a little bit more technical. With that hosting package, we would match you with a volunteer web designer. That program is intended for people who really want a lot of things on their website that aren't included in a web builder, or they have specific needs that need to be addressed, things like that. Definitely the trade-off is time. If you have a volunteer web designer with that hosting package, everything is free, but you're going to be waiting a lot longer to get up online. And then we're going to talk a little bit later about search engine optimization and our virtual office. So let's go first into DoodleKit, because I think that's probably going to be the most popular option for most neighborhood network centers. So as you can see, the center in the top is, or this picture at the top is a stock image that I was able to choose for free from DoodleKit. All their stock images are free. And then you see these little red tabs that say edit this, edit that. That's what makes it really easy, is as soon as you log in, which you can do right here at the top, you see where it says log out. I already logged in. You can have multiple users so that different people can edit it, can post blogs, upload photos, all of that stuff. But anyway, once you log in, you'll see these little red tabs that kind of guide you through editing your website. So I've created a menu with my main pages, which is the home page, the blog, calendar, photo gallery, and contact us. I also enabled this little right-hand sidebar, which is automatically enabled when you sign up for DoodleKit. I added an upcoming events note. As you can see, it says edit note. So I can edit this note whenever I want. I can change the title to, I could change it to upcoming webinar or today's webinar, anything I want, and add as much text as I want. It's kind of a neat way to sync it. You can't really sync it with your calendar, but you can by hand sync it with your calendar by just typing in the day's event. The blog entries on the right-hand sidebar is already included. It will automatically update every time you post a blog. So earlier today, I posted a blog, How to Use DoodleKit. So you see 8.6. It tells the author of the blog in the title. If you click from that, it would go straight to the blog. People can subscribe to your blog, too, through RSS. And then I also added a Donate Now note on the right-hand sidebar. The right-hand sidebar will appear on every page. It's really important that people can donate on every page because you never know what page of the site they're going to be on when they're going to decide they want to give you some money. You want to make that easy for them. As you can see, I use Google Checkout. I'm an individual user, so my button says Buy Now. If you're a nonprofit, you can apply to Google Checkout as a nonprofit. You send them your IRS determination letter, and then you would get a button that says Donate Now, and it's set up, more for donations. Also, just a quick note, if you're a nonprofit, Google Checkout does not charge you to receive money until February 2009. All online fundraising tools take a percentage of the money that comes in, but Google, again, is not doing that until February 2009. And it's still a little bit cheaper than PayPal. But you could have multiple online fundraising tools. So maybe this one, you could change the title of it to say Donate with Google, and then you could add another one right underneath that says Donate with PayPal and have a PayPal button there. And if you click it, it'll go straight to the Google Checkout Secure page, which is really good and gives people donating a sense of security. So now we're going to just show you the blog. And well, just so you know, this is the layout I picked is just one layout. There's like a bunch of different layouts that we can look at. So I'm going to click on Edit Headers Layout just so you can see kind of a few. So this is where I have the website title and the subtitle. As you might have seen, it says grassroots.org Neighborhood Networks. And then the subtitle was Getting Online Fast and Free. You can change that whenever you want, really easy. If you go here to change layout, you'll see there's 6 different layouts you can choose from. And then each layout has different color themes. So as you scroll over them, you might see how many different color themes they have. But, different places for the menu. Mine has that right-hand sidebar. Some have a left-hand sidebar. And some just have a menu at the top. And then you can edit the colors. You can edit the background. You can edit the images. The image on my home page, I could have uploaded my own image for that if I wanted. So it's like super easy to use. So now let's go to the blog. So if you click on the blog, again, I'm logged in, so that's where you're seeing the kind of the red admin buttons. So DoodleKit's blog comes with a How to Use Your Blog first blog post, which you would just say Edit, and I'll show you what the edit screen looks like. So as you can see, it's like really easy. You would just type it in just like Word, and you can just like delete stuff and hit enter. You could add a list. You could add bullets. Really easy. I'm sure you've all used Word before. And then you can just drag images straight into your blog, or you can click this little image button to insert an image from a URL, or you can search on your image library on your computer. And then I'm not going to change this. You can also tag your blog so people later can search. So if something was like new listings or news versus maybe like commentary, whatever you want. And then as you can see, each blog says who it's been written by. So since I'm the only user on this website, it says Sura Hart, and people can view my profile as well, which I could add pictures, whatever, so that people can get to know your organization a little better.